Ponytan sa Iceland.
Boss, anong pangalan mo, boss? Anong trabaho mo? Huwag ka na maiya.
Maging pogi on board.
Sige, maging pogi on board daw. Grabe.
Laulo.
Anong pangalan mo, boss? I-vlog natin to, syempre, oh.
Na,
Ayaw mo maging famous ka?
Madami lang yung ano mo, yung fans mo pagka
Ayun nga, oh, di ba?
Inover mo ako sa ano.
Oo. Sige, ano nga?
Kakaroon ka ng interest, ako wala akong
Ayun
papala.
Ayun niya, mahiyain daw siya, mahiyain. Ay, ganun lang. Anong trabaho mo dito, boss?
Boss, tayo lang boss.
Uy, sarap na ng buhay. Ano pangalan
Sarap
mo,
ng
boss?
buhay dito boss, tayo lang, tapos may sahod.
Port side yata daw eh. Daw. Tapos, boss, magkano sahod mo, boss?
Maliit lang boss, kasi tayo lang eh.
Oh, sarap na ng buhay, tayo.
Pero masarap buhay dito boss. Try nyo.
Magagapintura ka sa mukha. Salamat, boss, ha. Hey, my friend.
Hi.
Hey, what's your name?
Yeah, come here. My name is Rishin. So, how's life? All good?
Yeah, all good.
Ciao, bye.
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Paco.
Paco.
What's your name, Rishin?
Rishin. What's
It's okay. Where do you live, Rishin?
I am from India, my friend.
Huh?
India, I'm from India.
India. So, what is your work here?
I am an ABC man, my friend.
Wow, how much is your salary?
Top secret, my friend.
Top secret.
Cannot publish, my friend.
Oh, Rishin,
Yes.
why you work here in ship?
I have to make money, my friend.
To make money?
Yes, of course.
Is this
You
your
work
dream?
For, peace?
Yeah, I work for world peace. Is this your dream to work in the cruise ship?
No, my dream is to make money only.
To make money? Very good answer. So, can you tell me about yourself, Rishin?
Hey, enough, my friend. No more question, only three or two.
That's why that's the question. You like mamit?
If you get subscription money, send me also.
Yeah, I will send. Yeah, and this is my friend Paco, Rishin. Already Paco, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, also my friend here.